Ryan Schuff here from Keystone RV Company. I'm the product manager for the Passport brand here at Keystone. We're standing in front of the brand new 3400 QD. This is the rear entrance of this camper. This won RV News Best in Show for bunkhouses, a large part due to this awesome new bunkhouse we have back here. It has 4 full double-sized bunks. We're going to go check that out in a second, but before we do that, I wanted to walk you guys up here and show off this new outdoor kitchen. We have a nice metal tabletop, the mini dorm fridge, and we have the 2-burner stove that can help with all your food prep. Before we go in, I wanted to point out a couple of things on the outside. We have brand new for 2020 power stab jacks throughout the whole Passport lineup. So in our SL series and in our GT series. We also have exterior speakers out here that can stream right from your phone with your Bluetooth compatible device, so either your tablet or your smartphone. We have motion sensor lighting at the main entrance and at our pass-through storage as well. Walking into the brand new 3400 QD, you'll notice tons of wardrobe space. You have 2 full-size wardrobes with tons of room for boot or shoe storage after your long hike, and you're walking in on linoleum, so you're not going to be tracking dirt and mud throughout the whole camper. Like I said before, you have 4 full double-sized bunks. Each bunk has its own little cubby and its own USB charging station, which makes it very, very convenient to keep all your tablets, phones, and accessories all charged up. We also have tons of storage on the bottom bunk area too, because our bottom bunk flips right up and it locks in at 90 degrees here. And you can store oversized coolers, full-size dog crates, oversized camping chairs, just extra stuff. Tons of storage here in the back bunk room of the 3400 QD. When we created the 3400 QD, we had large groups in mind, whether it be a girls trip weekend to wine country, whether it be a boys fishing trip. This is big enough with all these beds and the sleeping area to sleep 8 full-size adults. Or up to 12 to 13, 14 children, depending on the size of those kids. So we have other sleeping arrangements on the inside of more of our living area, within our slide box, our dinette, and our trifold sofa. Now in the living area, I wanted to show you a different option we have for our slide outs. This is our brand new pivot furniture, because with all these people that we can sleep, now we need to sit them. This is the pivot furniture in the L-shaped sofa position. So I'll show you how it goes to the dinette position. So just by moving this cushion, it gives you your dinette, and this also gives you extra sleeping too, because this dinette table breaks down for extra sleeping, and then also our trifold sofa has extra sleeping up there. And with all these people, where are they going to put all their stuff? So storage, we knew was going to be a big deal for this floor plan. So we have tons of storage. We have storage underneath the pivot furniture. We have storage just to the left of that in the big pantry area. We even have 2 drawers for utensil trays and grill tools. To the left of the sink, we have a spice rack. We have a countertop extension. We have a good amount of countertop space. We also have a second pantry here near the main entrance. Our bedroom in the 3400 QD has wooden accent pocket doors, which look really great. And then when this opens together, it gives a really nice open and dramatic type of feel. You see our reclaimed wood look up front. We have our queen bed with USB ports and 110 outlets on each side of the bed, which is really important so people can either use their CPAP machines or keep all their devices charged up at night. A couple other things I wanted to point out with this floor plan are right here. 8 cubic foot refrigerator, so it's the oversized refrigerator. You don't see that in all the ultralights out there. Another thing is we have a great TV viewing angle from the sofa or the dinette, depending on where you're sitting. It's on a swivel arm, so you can adjust it for your viewing pleasure. We even have a cubby underneath there with extra USB ports for charging all your devices. And thank you for coming and checking out the 3400 QD. Contact your local dealer for more details or come visit us online at keystonerv.com. Thank you.